Good morning, students. My name is P.S. Ramaraj. I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to discuss about the subject general knowledge. General knowledge, chapter 47, that is science news. We are going to deal with science news. Before entering this science news, we must know what is the meaning of news. What is the full form of news? What is the full form of news? That means what? Not. E means east. W means west. S means south. So the information collected from all four sides, north side, east side, west side, south side is called news. So then science news means regarding science. Regarding science, we are going to get some new information, okay, new ideas. Science news means we know that scientists are doing the researchers nowadays. Day by day, they are finding new facts regarding science. Okay. So today, recently, what facts scientists have discovered. Let's see. First one regarding dog's brain, we are going to discuss. First one, what we are going to discuss? Dog's. We know that dog is a one of the pet animal. Okay, we rare at our home. So it is one of the pet animal. And what is the special character of this dog? By smelling, they can find the things where it is present. Okay, by smelling, they can identify the things. We know that the police are using the dogs for some murder case and some other to get some information, to idea, they will be using that. So why the dog is used? Because it has some special character. What is that? Okay, that means they are great sniffers. Why they use means dogs are great sniffers. Sniffers means what? By smelling, that means they will be identified. Because they have the powerful nerve connections. Okay, that's why between the nose and brain, between nose and brain. Okay, between nose and brain, they have a powerful connection. Due to that reason only, they are identifying the things. And also, one of its teeth called canine. One of its teeth called canine also has a special character. What that means? It is dealing with the smell and vision. So canine is dealing with the smell and vision. So canine means one of the teeth which is present in dog's mouth. It has a special character which is dealing with smelling and vision power. So because of this, the dogs can identify the things. So it is only the character present in dogs, not other animals. Even in human being also it is not present. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about the human tears. You know what is the meaning of test? Test means if you try now, then what will come discuss now. So from human race we can get some information regarding our disease also. It is possible to identify this regarding heart disease, then eye disease, everything can be identified even through the human race they say now. And one day definitely we can taste our human water, that means human eye water, human tears, to identify the disease which we have in our body. By tasting the human tears, we can identify what are the disease we may have in our body. So one day it may come like that, the scientists are saying. So human tears is used to detect the disease, to identify the problems we have in our body. For that purpose can be used like that, the scientists are saying. Next we are going to discuss about the Ziegler. So what is the meaning of Ziegler? That means it is one of the asteroid. You know what is the meaning of asteroid? What is the meaning of asteroid? Asteroid means nothing, which is like a big stone which is revolving around the sun. Okay, like a small planet. So like a small planet which is revolving, which the sun means. Okay, the asteroids will be revolving around the sun in a round ball. So when it is revolving, sometimes it is reaching our earth. So because of this, the dangerous may happen where it is hitting the earth. In that particular area will be affected. So because of this Ziegler asteroid, when it is reaching the earth, okay, then that particular area will be affected. So here they say that dinosaurs are killed, okay, by this Ziegler asteroid only, they say. Because of it only, nowadays there is no more dinosaurs we have in our earth. Because we killed all the dinosaurs which was present in our earth. So it happened before millions of years ago. Okay, not recently, millions of years ago it has ever happened, but because of that only the dinosaurs are killed, they say that, scientists. Next, let's see about lionfish. There you will get the information from lionfish. They say that lionfish certainly are not the fastest predators. That means they cannot get their food by moving fast. Very slowly they will be moving and they will be getting their food. And they know that capacity to catch some other animals. So they live in the ocean. Okay, they live in the ocean. Lionfish are there. They live in the ocean only. So though it lives in water, they have to get some food. So for that reason, they will move smoothly. Okay, they will not make sound while they are going to get their food. They will move smoothly and they will get their food. They are very good without making sound. No, they can move and they get their food. Okay, they are experts in that. Okay, next let's see the relationship. First we are going to read the Fifth one, we are going to discuss about relationship. Relationship means what? Between two persons. What the relation they have? We see now between there is a relation between father and mother, between daughter and father. The relationship will be varied. Okay, between the friends or colleagues, there is a kind of relationship, and also between the husband and wife, there is a relationship. Son and father, between son and father, there is a relationship. Here, what this means? A relationship also very good, very great influence of life. So, because of having good relationship, both person will be coming up in their life. That's what they are saying. For example, in small kids, they will be very close with each other. Okay, one person will be very poor and the another person will be very rich, while they are having the relationship at small kids level. And while they are growing up, the relationship will be helping for each other to grow up, to earn money more in their life. That's what they say. So nowadays we have the relationship through Facebook, through social media. Relationships are started. Then finally they reach the goals through them. But without knowing the places also, they have a relationship. It helps to grow up economically. Okay, in that way they are using. So this is a good relationship, they say. Next, let's discuss about the whale shark. Okay, whale shark. It is around 12 meters long. Okay, it is the largest living fish species. Among the fish, this whale shark is the long fish. It is the largest one among fish family. You can say it has around 12 meters long. Then it is one of the omnivorous family. You know what is meaning of omnivorous? Omnivorous means which eat both plants and animals, we can say. These omnivores will be killing the other animals, and they can have access to, and also they can eat the plants also. We can say carnivores. Carnivores only eat the meat, they will not eat the plant. That is called carnivores. Then herbivores. Herbivores eat only the plants. How do you make a study? Herbivores eat only the plants. Then carnivores. Carnivores eat only the meat, we can say. Eat the carnivores will be eating both meat and animals. Okay, it's all same thing. You can say meat or animals. But omnivores will be eating both plants also will eat and other animals also meat also will eat. So this whale shark comes under the omnivores. Okay. Next, lack of sleep. Let's see now. 7 what we are going to discuss. Lack of sleep. So every day we have to sleep. Then only we can do our work properly. if we don't sleep at night, okay, if we are not sleeping properly, means the next day we cannot do our work properly. Okay, we have to take some time to rest by sleeping. If you don't sleep properly now, then we may get tension while we do our work, while we are doing some work. Then we will be getting tension. We cannot do our work properly. So lack of sleep, it is leading to some problems. That means we may get some sickness also. If you are not sleeping properly, means we will get some sickness. So we have to sleep properly, regularly. Every day we must sleep. We have to take rest for some time. Otherwise, we should not do our work properly. Next, we are going to discuss about the rovers. Rovers means what? So recently we launched the satellite in Moon. Our India has launched the satellite in Moon. When it happened? It is happened in July 14, 2023. It happened. Okay. That satellite name is Chandrayaan-3. In south side, the Moon in south side we have launched. So there it is used, one of the part is called rovers. Okay, one of the part is called rovers. So before 25 years, the little robot which is having the 6-wheeled rover, the name of that rover is called Sojourner. So the name of that rover is called Sojourner, which is used by the NASA. So it is a first rover which is used by NASA to send the satellite. So rover means we can send the satellite also, but it is difficult to fit the rovers, to move the rovers with properly. So nowadays also we know that nowadays the research is going on in ISRO also. We are finding the new satellites, how we can launch this side. The research is going on. Okay, today we have discussed about next we have discussed regarding dogs, brain and human ears. Next, chicks, asteroid. Next, lionfish. Next, relationship. Then real job. Next, lack of sleep. What we face, what are the problems we face. Then what is going on we have discussed. Okay, children, you read this and write this. Let's see the next chapter in next session. Thank you.